and bend down here.
To do what?
So it's my birthday today. Today is 22nd March. Yeah, today is my birthday. I'm so happy. I'm grateful to God for life. I'm grateful to God for everything. Yeah.
LA on a Saturday night in the summer. Sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and the red Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, cause we are just ourselves. I could use some.
So I don't have so much planned for today yet. Yeah, I just plan to go and do facials. Yeah, I'm still searching online where to go and get my facials done. Need to remove some dirt from this face. I searched online. I googled it like photo studio because I wanted to take some photos. I wanted to do some photo shoots. Yeah, if you know me before now, you know my birthdays. I mostly celebrate by doing photo shoots. That's my hair's way of celebrating my birthday photo shoot. We're waiting for 30th by the grace of God. That's when we're going to do very big, elaborate birthday by the special grace of God. Yeah, so I've been trying to locate where I can get my facials, where I can do a photo shoot. I've not even gone through my WhatsApp messages. I don't even know what I'll post on Instagram yet. I don't know, but let's see how the day goes. Yeah, so catch you.
Getting out of this conversation, yeah. You look strong in there, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. From top designer clothes, front from the fashion shows. But you doing who you know, inside the world of beautiful people. Shipping around our nose, prenups and broken homes. Surrounded by alone, let's live the bottom. Beautiful. Yeah, that's not.
A few moments later.
This was how somewhere I should have just gone to, like from here, I'd have just gone forward. I went to the following Google Map to somewhere I don't know. This Google Map has taken me down. On my birthday, oh. See the unnecessary stress I'm just giving myself. Allow me to use bus. I need to use leg. Now after going down, and I came up. I'm still on the road now. I'm in another way now, and we must do these facials today. We must do facials today. The only thing that can stop me from doing my facials is the price, and maybe the money will not be available today, but then I already know where I can come and do my facials. I think I'm seeing somewhere, but I think it's just massage. Let me show you. I think that place is just massage. What I want is facials. Yeah, the picture I can see there, I think it's just for massage. But what I want to do is facials. Whoa, I did not see you. All I've been saying, hey, hello, I'm searching for where to do facials.
Facials?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh. All I've been seeing, I'm fine. All I've been seeing is massage.
Yeah. I think massage they do.
Oh.
Have you asked them?
No. Facials.
1 hour later.
LA on a Saturday night in a
Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday after I finished doing the facials, yeah, it wasn't really facials though, it was just massage. And after everything, like the cream they used to rub in my face was so white, so I couldn't come to end the vlog. So yes, yeah, I want to share with you guys my gift. Yeah, I want to do an unboxing. So this is my first gift. Yay! I so love this rose beer. Yes, I've been admiring it for a while now, but I've not been seeing the white. So I'm so glad I got the white rose beer. Yeah, I'm so happy. So that's my first gift.
summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and her in a hummus. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I'm loving, and we're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, 'cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask the question here. This is my only fear, that we become a beautiful people, dropped out designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who do you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and road nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Oh, that's not who we are. We are not.
So my shoes are from. You're already showing. You should just sit down here and do like this. Esther! It's our first showing.
LA. Drive for hours last night and we made it nowhere. Oh, I see stars in your eyes from the highway there. Now I'm not faced by all them lights and flashing cameras.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you do like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye. I'll see you in the next vlog. Mwah.